Okay. No me mires. Hey everyone, what's up? Hola todos, que la que hay? Basically, I am in El Salvador right now. Kind of like on vacation, visiting family. We're in this place in Calle al Boquerón, aquí
Calle al Boquerón.
in San Salvador.
Calle al Boquerón.
Ah.
San Salvador.
But yeah, and this restaurant, this one particular site is called Picnic Steakhouse is the name of the restaurant. And what's really cool about it is that there's like this really colorful, pretty slide and you go down on it in a tube. So I want to do that because the views are beautiful and it looks really fun. And I'm just like really excited to try it and like go down. And then also I'm just gonna take like, I'm gonna show like a little tour of the place. So you'll be able to see like what it looks like inside and like the little seating area where you get to eat. And it's kind of chilly here, so if I sound like I'm like shivering, I'm low-key kind of cold and the sun is going down, so I really have to hurry up and like show y'all around. So we'll get right to it. Okay. So there's a little merry-go-round. This is really cute. Oh my god, y'all, this is so cute. It's a little giraffe. De eso está hablando.
La mano acá.
Okay. We just got our seat, we just got our table, and we're sitting right in front of the slide. Y'all look, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Okay. Es que dijo que tengo que entrar por aquí, el camino es por allá. Here's the Imagine slide. That's scary as fuck. I'm sorry, like I don't know about like that. Oh my god, that's cute! Oh my god! Okay, while we wait, I'm gonna just turn this off because, you know, we get the point. There's a line. There's a line. Y'all, the sun sets super fast down here. So now it's basically like nighttime, but we're now at the stairs in the line. So I only have like a handful of people left in front of me, but yeah, it'll look really cool with the lights. Now the lights are on. Yeah, I expected this to not take like really long, but it's not so bad. Now we're just waiting. They have to like pull up the tube from all the way down there. They have to bring them up like 6 at a time, and they have like at least like a dozen over here. I guess you can see. Okay, y'all, I am next. Aquí tengo. Okay. Aquí tengo el teléfono. Oh my god.
Arriba.
Oh, ¿de arriba? Okay.
¿Listo?
Sí. Gracias. Oh my god, my hat fell off. Okay, so now time to walk all the way back. That shit was kind of scary. It was fun. I was just thinking like I was only holding on with one hand. So I was like recording with the other one and I was just scared for my life. Like, what if I just fall off this tube? Okay, I'm out of breath. It's probably because I was just screaming like fuck. No, I'm tired because I have to walk all the way back up. That's why I'm tired. Fuck y'all. Jesus. I guess the only downside of it is that you gotta walk back up. See, yeah, it was scary. Like, it was just like a huge drop. I know. Yeah. Ay, Dios mío. No, hombre, vos.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Caminaste bastante?
Ay, ¿qué?
Caminaste bastante. Espera.
Sí, eso sí me dio miedo. Uy, me paré. Okay, that's really it. The fun part of this video. You know, show a little bit more around of like what like this place looks like. I guess during the nighttime. I'm still trying to catch my breath. Uy.
No.
Shit, I'm tired. Anyway, I think we'll order some food and I'll show like what I'm eating. Anything else this place has to offer. I think I'm just gonna get like either an hondureña or a salvadoreña. Not sure, but definitely feeling like eating like some steak. So, right, I hope YouTube does not copyright strike me because of this music is loud as fuck and they're only playing American ass music. Our drinks came in and I ended up ordering a salvadoreña, please. The food is here and the mask comes off.
Salvadoreña pedimos nosotros.
¿Un salvadoreño bien cocido?
Sí, aquí.
Ajá, 3 cuartos.
¿A la plancha?
Puede ser.
No, ese que le dimos a él.
Este no es a la plancha.
Mira.
No iba a traer nada.
We had the churrasco, the steak, and then the frijol frito, guacamole, queso frito. Y estas son tortillas negras.
Ajá.
¿Eso lo llamaron?
Sí.
Y aquí hay más salsa. Buen provecho.
Gracias.
I'm so ready to eat. Oh my god, I'm ready. This is gonna be so good. If you don't mind, pardon me. Alright, so I'm halfway through my plate, and I'm just telling y'all, this shit is fucking buzzing. That's it. That's all I gotta say. So that basically concludes the rest of the night, and I'm really cold right now, but that was just like a little last minute tour. There's like endless photo ops over here. I'm telling you, like so many, but I didn't really take that many pictures, but for the most part I was just mainly like filming and recording everything. So that's basically a wrap for today's video. I really want to apologize because it's been like a minute since I've been able to like upload a video. I already knew that today was gonna be a really fun day, and I had a feeling that like it was gonna be beautiful. Like before I set eyes on it, I knew it was gonna be gorgeous. I'm really glad I'm getting to explore and see more of my countries. So this is just one really cool like neat spot to come visit. So there you have it. This is called Picnic Steakhouse. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.